Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes by default. So the first thing that show our this Oppo device, that's in this device is in the blue color, so you can see that here. So I think that's just perfect color. I just like that. And here also we got the original charger brick with all of the specs. Also we got here the USB-C cable, the new one. And inside of this box we got the SIM jack tool, some paperwork, the safety guides, the quick start guides, and also we got the new protective silicone clear case. So that's it. Here you can see that there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes by default. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.